This is the Python code that I have written to check if the entered year by the user is a leap year or not. So in the second cell, we are going to accept input from the user, basically checking using the user-defined function if the entered user is leap year. If the year is leap year, it will display leap year message. If not, it says not leap year. So let me just execute this. Also execute the second cell. So now I'll enter, for example, 2000 as the year. So you notice it says it's a leap year. Let us execute one more time. I'll enter 1998. It says not a leap year. Then I'll enter one more time, and that is the third time that I'm going to execute. Let's say 1900, and it says leap year. As you must have recognized, for some inputs, the output is correct, and for some inputs, the output is wrong. Why? Think about it. That's because you have got what is called logical error in this. How to correct this? It's an important skill to correct the business logic embedded in the programming. When you write programming, you will get two kinds of errors. One is called syntax errors, and the second one is called logical or runtime errors. Syntax errors is easy to remediate because interpreter throws up the syntax errors. Logical errors is difficult to remediate. That's because you can see here, for some inputs, it is giving correct answer, and for some inputs, it's giving wrong answers. So it has to do with the business logic that you have done. It's an important skill for a Python user or a Python developer to be good at debugging the code. If you are excited to understand how to debug the code, to make corrections to the logical errors so that for every input you get the expected output, please subscribe to my channel